Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making fried bread, what's called Uštipci. You're going to need 4.5 cups flour, 1.5 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. We're going to start with the flour. Just make the little space in the center with the spoon for the rest of the ingredients. Then we're going to add warm water, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, tablespoon of sugar, and then mix it slowly for about 5 minutes for yeast to get activated. After that, add salt and then start kneading the dough until it stops sticking to your hands. And at the end, it should come out really smooth and soft. Spread a little bit of oil on the bowl and also on the dough. Cover it with the plastic wrap and a towel and set it on the side to rise. I use the fryer, but you can use anything as long as you have enough oil in it. Preheat the oil on 320 degrees. After the dough is doubled in size, just uncover it and use 2 spoons, dip them in hot oil so the dough doesn't stick to it. With 1 spoon, cut the dough, and the other just take it off the spoon inside the frying pan. Fry the dough for about 5 minutes and then flip them on the other side for about 2 minutes. And then just take them out. And just repeat all the steps until all the dough is gone. They come out so beautiful. They're so crunchy outside and soft on inside. After they cool down a little bit, I use the powdered sugar to cover them up. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.